Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me on WellnessKE. My name is Fatma. Today we're actually going to be preparing something really good for your health. We're making our very own natural antibiotic. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can use products in your kitchen to help you in fighting disease and boosting your immunity. Obviously, before you start such natural remedies, it's important that you speak to your doctor to find out if they align with your medication and your lifestyle. Before we go too far, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe button. That way you'll be the first to know every single time we post a new video. So let's get started. So to make a natural antibiotic, this is what we're going to need. We're going to need some ginger. We'll actually use 4 pieces of ginger. You need large ones because ginger is really essential for making sure that it helps you in fighting disease, inflammation, and all that. We're also going to need an entire piece of garlic. So the entire, I don't know what to call it, but the whole thing. I'm not talking about one. So here I have about 15 of them, if not more. So if you can get that, then it's going to be beneficial. If you can get the garlic that is purple, the tiny one, that's even better for you because it is so essential in fighting disease. You're also going to need some lemon. We're going to use the entire lemon. Don't peel the lemon. You need the lemon as it is. We'll use 1 lemon for this particular recipe. Also, we're going to need some honey, raw organic honey. Make sure that your honey is raw and organic. This is what we have here, our WellnessKE honey. And we are also going to need some moringa. Moringa is really essential. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals, over 90 of them, that actually are going to help you in fighting disease. So we'll be using it in this recipe. We're also going to need some turmeric. We're actually going to use our very own WellnessKE turmeric in this particular recipe because turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. It's actually the best food in the world in fighting inflammation. So you need to add this to this recipe. And we're also going to need some neem. Neem is really good for fighting disease, and also it's an anti-malaria. It actually has numerous benefits without any of the side effects. So that's something really important. We're also going to need a cup of water. So make sure that you have all these, and we're going to put them in the blender so that we can make our very own natural antibiotic. So you only need a cup of water, and that's enough. This, I didn't use the entire flask, just that amount is okay. And now that we have everything, it's time for us to blend our mixture. This recipe is really simple. I want for you to be able to start taking it so that you can be able to fight disease. It's time for us to start blending our natural antibiotic. Nice and good. Our consistency is perfect. As you can see here, we actually have a really good consistency. Everything is blended really well. If you want, you can continue blending, it's okay, but where we are, it's still really good. We actually have a really good consistency. So once this is ready, this is actually going to be really good for you in fighting disease. You'll need about a spoon of each every day. So when you wake up in the morning, before you go to work, make sure you have a spoon of this, a spoonful of this, or a shot. If you have those tiny shot glasses, you can actually put it inside, just to measure, and have this so that you can be able to fight disease. As I mentioned, if you find that you're always traveling, you're meeting people all the time, your immunity is not that high, this is actually going to be really essential. It's going to help you in boosting your immunity and fighting disease without dealing with the side effects. So here's something really important. Once this is ready, what do you need to do? You need to store it well. And I have a jar here, a mason jar. I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to store mine, because the longer it stays, the better. It actually keeps on activating even more. This is because plants contain really important nutrients that actually help us in fighting disease and boosting our immunity. When you get them from plants and roots, you actually are really doing a good job for your health. So this mason jar, I'm actually going to fill it up. Not all the way to the top. I'll just actually show you how I'm going to do it. And so this is a very powerful tonic. It's actually going to help you. You can give this to your children as well, because as they keep on going to school, of course, they're meeting with other kids. Their immunity is also at a risk. So you can actually give them a spoonful in the morning as they go to school. Remember, when you're using the honey, make sure that you're using raw organic honey, because that's actually going to be really beneficial for your health and for the health of your family. Everything we've used here is completely natural. So if you want to start making your own natural remedy and antibiotic, please don't hesitate. We actually have our very own raw organic honey. You can actually place your orders for this. If you want, you can also place your orders for moringa. You can place your orders for the turmeric tea, and you can also place your orders for Neem. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure that you let us know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. My name is Fatma. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's time for me to have mine.